got Mr. Beast chocolate in American Dream water park. So I got a chocolate right here. And I opened it and I ate it if it was good. But I forgot how it tastes like, so I don't know. I actually have the milk chocolate too. Well, it's dark chocolate and it's Mr. Beast. I went to the American. Well, let me tell you a story about it. Well, like I went to American. No, like 1 month ago, or 1 year ago, but I'm sure it's 1 month ago. American Dream. Like there's a design on top. If you went today, because I went today to the water park, there's like roller coasters. I got this from the American Dream Mall. So yeah, and there was a helicopter that was heavy, so I couldn't like hold it. So it fell in the water, and the lifeguards were like, "Move out!" I saw that on the news, and they replaced it with a Shrek and a panda kung fu, and I forgot what, like a snail, and then I was so scared that it would follow me, so it was just today. Like I went to American Dream today. Bye guys.